different tile, and basically now it looks a bit cleaner. So let's annotate a few roads. So if we can change the brightness, so it's clearly this big road, it's affected by flood a lot. So I will just change the opacity, and then I will be using polylines just to save my time, and it will be highway. So I don't know what kind of road is it, but let's just annotate an highway. I won't be very precise in this video. I'm really sorry for that, but just to save time. And it seems like it's really high danger level for this road. Then let's change to primary, and it looked like a primary to me. 1, 2, 3. So all of those look to me as a medium level. Medium level. And let's apply one more, which is unclassified, and there is a small ones like over here, and I guess over here. So this one seems like a medium level to me as well. Let's show back our GOT file. Yeah. Now let's annotate our flood-free zones. And basically we can see like a few of them. So here is one. Wait. So for this, we'd better use polygons. This one. And here another one. So perfect. Now let's see. Let's hide our overlay of GOT file, and we can see actually, and this one as well. So these few zones actually corresponding to few parks, which seems to be affecting the flood level. Perfect. And the last task that we set for us, it's applying what the attribute to identify what the array is. Is it city or if it's countryside? And to me, it seems more like city, so I will leave the default one. That was it for geo annotation. If you have more questions, please visit our documentation. We have some more tutorials, or join our Slack community. Or if you find any issues, please feel free to open an issue in our GitHub. Have a good day, guys.